In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Airbnb app to the latest version. So if you want to use the latest features that come with Airbnb, then the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update your app. By updating your app, apart from getting the latest features, you'll also be able to fix errors and bugs associated with the older version of Airbnb. Now to do this, if you're using an Android smartphone, you can achieve this through Google Play Store. However, if you are using an iPhone, then you need to go to App Store. So for my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I'll need to go ahead and look for Play Store. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to get started, go ahead and tap on Play Store and then search Airbnb. Just like that, and then here it is. And now you can see the app is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open, and as you can see, we have two features here, either uninstall or open. Now if you don't see this open, then it means you will have an update function. By that, it means that you have an outdated Airbnb app and you need to go ahead and tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Airbnb and then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you'll see we have open option here. So for my case, I'll not update this because I already have the latest version of Airbnb app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.